Don't clap your hands. Don't drop your jaw to try to figure out how many syllables are in a word. That is unreliable. There's a much better way. And I'm going to teach you a little song so that it can be even easier for you. If you have a word that contains a consonant between two vowels, I want you to sing this little jingle. Now, when I teach it, we actually use our hands to manipulate the letters physically to make it a multisensory experience. And this is the little chant that we use. You put your first two fingers on the first two vowels. One left over goes to the end. That's it. But wait, there's more. If you have two consonants between the vowels, that's called a V, C, C, V, then here's how the chant goes. You put your first two fingers on the first two vowels. Two left over, split them. Now here's what to do if there are three consonants between the vowels. You put your first two fingers on the first two vowels. Three left over, 1, 2, split. And then we move on through the words. So if it's a multi-syllable word, you're going to start by putting your first two fingers on the first two vowels. Then you're going to go to the next two vowels and do the same thing. And continue throughout the word. This is a much cleaner, more accurate way to divide those syllables. Syllable division is important so that you know what sound that vowel is going to make, because a vowel sound changes depending on what syllable type it's in. So I want you to chant this with me so that you can remember it. Ready? We're going to start with just one consonant between the vowels, and then two, and then three. 4, it's still a 1-3 split, by the way. But let's just do 1, 2, and 3. Are you ready? You put your first two fingers on the first two vowels. One left over goes to the end. Next two fingers on the next two vowels. Two left over, split them. Next two fingers on the next two vowels. 3 left over, 1, 2, split. How'd you do? Let me know in the comments if you think this will help your reader.